Hello jotono ani channel welcome जों jotono saimano je tui be electricity ba current namjago hinai bat jodi ang sengkhe bahai tui be current namjak hinai kwbangma borok no sinai bo tongnai tei kwbangma borok sia bo tongnai sian ge phare जों tini o video ni through tui electricity ba current bahai ke namjak omo silainai oro ko ang diagram rekha o diagram no nai nagadi ang explain khaina step by step bahai ke electricity generate ang tui ba water bai Pula electricity generate khaina bagai water store ba jama khaina nangnai amoni bagai dams namai water jama ba store khaina nangnai high elevation ba saka jaga bo jahate water ni pressure kubang te control khaim manajat second o dam ni gate tongnai pipe ni kahai ke jeta no pen stock bo hino te o pipe ni buskango kaisa fan khai turbine thapajak tongnai inke dam ni tui release khaijake open stock ba gate tui high pressure phainai amoni pore a tui ni pressure bai turbine gurinai o turbine direct connect tongnai generator bai generator o magnet tongo o magnet bu gurinai tarpore by electromagnetic induction electricity generating sinai oroni main principle nge omo je turbine guri ke generator ni through the electricity ba current snamjaknai o turbine no nokbar by guri riwai current snamman ke omno sang windmill bo hinnai te high pressure ganang steam by bo o turbine no guri riwai mano tang norok sadi jodi chini oro infinity sima sara fan tongke sung chini fan by turbine no speed ke guri manke lengyawi sung current snamma da manno comment to anomoni answer sadi iko ask simple nomo I hope na roko video enjoy khaikana ati knowledgeable video samna bagai support khaina ni bagai bell icon on click khaimano tei sina mujung nai dol ba cherai rok tong khai bongno share khaibedi borok bo video nai knowledge man nai tui tinin bagai asung no jotono video naima bagai hambai